We stand at the edge of a new frontier, artificial intelligence dazzling in its capabilities. AI can write poetry, compose music, and design machines at incredible speeds. But between impressive demos and daily reliance lies a vast chasm, the Grand Canyon of trust. To bridge it, we need AI that's understandable, accountable, and reliable. Our challenge isn't just building intelligence, it's building trust. Building trust into AI isn't magic, it's a tangible set of rules and controls. A trust layer. Think of it like a safety net for astronauts, a tether, a checklist, sensors, all making powerful tools safe to use. For AI, the trust layer starts with permissions. You decide what the AI can and cannot do. Can it send emails, spend money, delete files? These boundaries are yours to set. Permissions are the first line of defense, ensuring AI operates only within your defined safe space. Next come checks and balances. Before taking significant actions, the AI double-checks your intentions. Is this what you wanted? Does it match your past behavior? These checks catch mistakes before they escalate. Most importantly, a trust layer provides transparency and control. You should always see what the AI has done and why. If something goes wrong, you need a big red stop button, the power to intervene or revoke permissions. This isn't a weakness, it's the source of your confidence. The trust layer ensures you remain the captain of your digital ship. With it, AI becomes a tool you can truly rely on. Without it, even the smartest AI is a risk. Trust is built on clarity, oversight, and your ultimate control. We're dazzled by AI's intelligence, absorbing the internet, producing human-like text. But intelligence alone isn't enough. Even geniuses make simple mistakes. So can AI. When autonomous AI errs, the consequences can be huge, especially when it controls other tools. Imagine an AI assistant cleaning up files. It might delete a critical archive, misunderstanding your intent. The AI isn't malicious, it's just following its model, which might be incomplete or misaligned. Unlike humans, it lacks common sense and contextual awareness. A human would pause and ask before deleting something important. AI might not. That's why pure intelligence without guidance is risky. AI needs guardrails, a framework that anticipates errors. Intelligence is the engine, the trust layer is the navigation and safety system. One without the other is either powerless or dangerous. We must respect AI's power and its blind spots. Only with a trust layer can we safely harness AI's potential. Reliability, not just brilliance, is what matters. The most dangerous AI mistakes aren't always dramatic. They're often small, subtle, and silent. Quiet errors can compound over weeks, eroding trust before you even notice. Imagine an AI assistant managing your calendar. A software update corrupts a rule, and suddenly it starts booking meetings you never wanted. You miss calls, appointments, and wonder what went wrong. Or consider AI-powered shopping. It assumes you only hike in warm weather, so it never recommends winter gear. The AI isn't broken, just operating on flawed assumptions. These silent failures create uncertainty. Is the AI really following my instructions? We start double-checking its work, defeating the purpose of automation. A robust trust layer solves this. Lets you review active rules, notifies you of changes, and turns quiet errors into transparent, correctable events. Trust isn't just about preventing disasters. It's about making small mistakes visible and fixable. Without this, confidence in AI quietly erodes. With it, we can rely on AI for important tasks. Transparency and control are essential for trust. The right safeguards turn silent failures into learning moments. That's how we keep AI helpful and trustworthy. The world of data is chaotic. AI's training data can be outdated, biased, or wrong. When AI acts on imperfect information, it can make a cascade of small, frustrating mistakes. Imagine an AI planning your road trip. It finds a glowing review of a diner from years ago, but you arrive to find it closed. Or it inserts outdated financial data into your business report, making you look careless. These aren't system crashes, but tiny misalignments that undermine confidence. AI treats old facts like new ones unless told otherwise. A trust layer acts as a filter, prioritizing official sources, checking dates, flagging inconsistencies. It doesn't just trust the data, it cross-references and validates it. This turns a universe of flawed information into a reliable map for decisions. Without a trust layer, small errors multiply. With it, AI becomes a dependable partner. Trust is built by catching and correcting the little things. That's how we make AI truly useful. Autonomous AI isn't about replacing humans, it's about partnership. The best systems match autonomy to risk, a concept called human in the loop. For low-risk tasks, like sorting emails, AI can act automatically. Mistakes are minor and easily fixed. This is human on the loop, you observe, but don't need to approve every action. For higher-risk tasks, like managing social media, AI drafts content but you approve it before it goes public. Here, your judgment combines with AI's speed and creativity. For critical, irreversible actions like controlling factory machinery, humans must initiate the command. The AI assists, but never acts alone. By matching autonomy to risk, we create systems that are powerful and safe. This partnership gives us control, the foundation of trust. AI becomes a co-pilot, not an autopilot. We decide when to let go and when to take the wheel. The right balance keeps us safe and productive. Trust grows when we're always in command. Human oversight isn't a limitation, it's a strength. That's how we build trustworthy AI. In business, trust isn't optional. It's the fuel for growth and adoption. The smartest AI is useless if customers don't trust it. Real value comes when AI tools scale from one user to entire organizations. Scaling only happens when teams have deep confidence in reliability and safety. A trust layer is a critical business advantage. It enforces brand guidelines, spending limits, and approval workflows. Suddenly, AI isn't a wild card, it's a controlled, scalable platform. Leaders can confidently deploy AI, knowing guardrails prevent disaster. Trust turns clever gadgets into core infrastructure. Companies that invest in trust layers win customer loyalty. In AI, belief is the currency that enables scale. The most successful AI companies will be those who make trust their top priority. Trust unlocks AI's true transformative potential. The future of AI is limitless, but we won't reach it by chasing intelligence alone. We must build bridges of trust, clear permissions, automated checks, transparency, and human control. These aren't limits, they're the conditions for safe, full realization of AI's potential. Success isn't just about performance, but about trustworthiness. Is the system reliable, understandable, and controllable? An AI that's slightly less accurate but fully transparent is safer than a perfect black box. The future is a partnership between human ingenuity and machine intelligence. By focusing on trust, we lay the groundwork for this partnership. As AI grows more powerful, it must remain aligned with our values. We're building not just a more efficient future, but a safer, more human-centric one. This is our great engineering challenge. We must get it right. For decades, AI has been a race for cognitive horsepower, but intelligence alone is just the launch. It's trust that gets us to new worlds. The next leap is from smart to trustworthy. Trustworthy AI knows its limits, asks for guidance, and explains its decisions. It's transparent, humble, and accountable. Building this AI is a marathon, involving scientists, ethicists, designers, and lawmakers. The goal: weave trust into the core of machine intelligence. Only then can we confidently deploy AI in our most critical sectors. The age of pure, unguided intelligence is ending. The future belongs to systems that are reliable, understandable, and controllable. By building trust layers, we ensure AI empowers us safely. This is the true path to unlocking AI's promise.